In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution DPI in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what number to choose for your project, and how to avoid accidentally degrading your image. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. If this file is important, consider working on a copy so your original stays untouched. With the image open, head to the top menu and choose Image, then Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog, which shows your pixel dimensions, the physical print dimensions, and the resolution field we're after. Look for the resolution box. In many workflows, this is labeled in pixels per inch, commonly called DPI. This value tells printers how many pixels to pack into an inch of paper. A higher number makes pixels denser on the page, resulting in crisper prints at a given physical size. For most high-quality printing, 300 is a reliable target. For on-screen use, the actual pixel width and height matter far more than the resolution value, but many people still use 72 as a conventional setting for web assets. Before you type a new number, decide whether you want to change the pixel count of the image. If you don't want to change the pixel size, uncheck Resample. With Resample unchecked, Photoshop will not add or remove pixels. Instead, it updates the relationship between your existing pixels and the physical print size. For example, increasing the resolution with Resample off will reduce the printed dimensions but keep image detail intact. If you leave Resample on, Photoshop will create or discard pixels to hit your new resolution and size, which can soften the image if you make large changes. For most print prep adjustments, turning Resample off is the safer choice. Now, type the resolution you want into the resolution box. 300 for print is a great default, and 72 is common for web graphics. Review the preview and dimensions to make sure they look right for your needs. When everything is set, click OK. Finish by saving your file. To preserve your original, use Save As and give the file a new name. Choose a format that suits your output. For print, high-quality options like TIFF or maximum quality JPEG are common. For web, JPEG or PNG will work depending on transparency and compression needs. That's it. You've opened your image, adjusted the resolution in image size, managed the resample option correctly,